Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any friends or family at home that would like to watch NRG Dance Project, the show this evening, they can actually watch it for free. They can check it out at ustream.tv. Hey Biz, how about we give them that image on the screen so that they can take a picture and send it to their friends and family at home. So, all the information is just right up there. They can head to our Facebook page and check out all the attachments there, or you can head to ustream.tv and search NRG Dance Project. Modern technology. Woo-woo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving right along.
But it's going.
It's not us, because we still got some more stuff up on stage. Let's give it up for the prop dads. That's gonna be the next TV show, is prop dads. Like, you got dance moms, and then now you're gonna have prop dads. It's a hot mess. All right, moving right along, it's act number 50. It is a junior hip hop line. Let's welcome Monster Mash.
This is the ones who will be standing the whole time with us.
Mysterious and spooky, they're all together ookie, the Addams Family. The house is a museum, when people come to see them, they really are a spree, the Addams Family. They really are the spree, the Addams Family.